Welcome to the tutorial on how you change the SMTP settings and test the email. Well, you click on the SMTP settings on your site and you add in the address, the username, and you may need to enter the entire full email address, the password, and then confirm the password. If your SMTP requires SSL, then you can check that. You click that and we get a confirmation. And that way we can be using your SMTP server. Now let's talk about sending the emails and making sure that they go through. What we want to do is change the alert, one of the alerts, to have the email address that we want to send it to. With the default settings, it's blank. We do not know what email you want it to be sent to, so it's empty. So for the support button, we'll click alerts, and actually we're going to click emails, and there's the email. And for this test purpose, I entered in test@company.com. You could click the edit and then change this address to any email that you want. If you want to have multiple email addresses, then you put in a semicolon and put the next email address. If you want to send a text message, there's separate instructions for that. It's essentially the 10-digit number and then the extension for the cell carrier. And it's as simple as that. You click submit, it's good to go, and at which point then we have a confirmation. Do you want this rolled out to the rest of the members of the group? And again, I'm making this change to the entire group here, not just to an individual node, although that's entirely possible. The last thing we want to do, again, on the workstations, the end user's workstations, either at reboot or at every command check interval, which is the default setting is 60 minutes. So every 60 minutes it's going to check for new settings. Or you want to push it out manually, you go to the workstation, you right click, you click refresh profile, we get the success notice, and we're done.